everyone, my name's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video that's a little bit different from my other reviews. I am doing a review on a fragrance. Now recently my fragrance collection has just grown. Like, I've been so lucky and I have so many amazing fragrances. A lot I'd actually never heard of the brand, so it was pretty exciting. I just thought I want to share these with you. I want to give you my thoughts and opinions, and you know, again, if this can help someone maybe decide if they should or shouldn't buy something or anything like that, then that is amazing. Now I am in no means an expert on fragrances. This is just literally how I feel, I guess. I don't know proper terms, I don't know anything like that, so I guess that's just my little disclaimer. Randomly, I'm just gonna go through them, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So today I am doing a review on the Christian Dior Homme Eau for Men. Now I hope that's how you say it. This fragrance is actually super hard to find any real information on online. In terms of pricing, literally couldn't even tell you because I can't find it anywhere to give you a price on how much this is. First opinion, the bottle. Dior has a lot of bottles that are actually quite similar to this. Yeah, this seems to be a very common theme with a few bottles in their line. First thoughts on when I spray this. Now, I think it's called the atomizer, which is how it sprays. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it's super fine, really like clean, and yeah, it just comes out really nicely. With the scent, first thoughts. Now this is, I would describe it as a lipsticky smell. Now, which sounds maybe a little bit weird, but it just smells like, you know, that fresh, almost lipstick, like cosmetic smell. It's like that when you first spray it, and then it sort of breaks down and becomes still quite manly, but also a little bit feminine in my opinion. Just to give you the actual rundown, now this is on the website Feeling Sexy, sorry I have to read this on my phone. The top notes are bergamot, grapefruit and coriander seeds. The middle note is iris. I think I like iris, so anything sort of with that in it I seem to like. Base notes are amber and Virginia cedar. Would I buy this? Would I recommend it? To be honest, I don't think I would buy it. I think there's others out there that I'm more drawn to. You know how some scents I will have this like reaction that's almost like, oh my God, like it just hits me so hard. They are the ones that I would obviously definitely go back to. This is lovely, and if I smelt this on someone, I probably wouldn't compliment them, but I wouldn't think, oh, that's bad. Like it's a very nice scent, but yeah, again, I don't think I would personally purchase it. But if you have it, please let me know your opinions and if you get complimented on it, or others that you would recommend. If there's any fragrances you would like me to review next, of course, as well, put them in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know that as well, and I will continue. And I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye.